Agnes Medical NewsFlash. Check out the top 3 hot issues. Let's dive right in. DoubleTite user meeting successfully held. On November 16th, the DoubleTite user meeting was successfully held at the Riverside Hotel in Seoul, bringing together dermatologists for an engaging collaboration and knowledge-sharing session. The event served as a platform for DoubleTite users to connect, featuring introducing new needle products, discussions on the latest clinical data related to new indications, and exchanging valuable experiences among participants. A highlight of the meeting was the lectures delivered by 4 key doctors, which drew significant attention. These lectures shared practical tips for effectively using DoubleTite and presented clinical results on new indications, such as neck wrinkles and melasma, improvements sparking in-depth discussions. The evidence-based insights provided during the event received high praise from attendees. Far from just a series of lectures or presentations, this user meeting offered a meaningful opportunity for participants to freely share knowledge and experiences, fostering mutual growth with overwhelmingly positive feedback from attendees. Agnes Medical plans to continue organizing such forums to connect with more experts. Exclusive workshop held in Bangkok, Thailand. On December 5th, an exclusive workshop titled The Once and Only Microneedling RF Injection for Skin Rejuvenation, DoubleTite, took place at Dadicating Park Hospital in Bangkok. The workshop featured in-depth lectures by Dr. Do Young Ri and Dr. Gun Young An, complemented by hands-on training sessions that drew much attention from participants. The event provided an opportunity to explore DoubleTite groundbreaking technology and its effectiveness in skin rejuvenation, with participants gaining first-hand experience and valuable insights. The enthusiasm and dedication shown by local medical professionals underscored the growing popularity of DoubleTite in Thailand. Following its recent certification in Malaysia, DoubleTite continues to strengthen its presence in the Asian market. We look forward to seeing DoubleTite achieve even greater success, expanding beyond Asia to make a global impact. Agnes Medical awarded the Gyeonggi Province Governor's Commendation for Outstanding Venture Companies. On December 6th, Agnes Medical was honored with the Gyeonggi Province Governor's Commendation for Outstanding Venture Companies, recognizing its consistent growth and innovation. This prestigious award serves as further proof of Agnes Medical's achievements and potential. Previously, Agnes Medical was also designated as a promising small and medium enterprise of Gyeonggi Province, certified as an excellent workplace for reading management, and recognized as a talent-nurturing SME. The company has built a solid reputation for fostering employee welfare and creating a positive work environment, solidifying its status as a company that grows alongside its team. These ongoing efforts have also enhanced the credibility of Agnes Medical's products. With the potential to become a global game-changer in the medical aesthetics market, Agnes Medical's future is more promising than ever. The industry eagerly awaits its next innovative product, which is expected to make waves in 2025. Join us as we continue to support Agnes Medical on its journey of growth and excellence. That's a wrap for the hot issue of the month from Agnes Medical. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram for more exciting content.